Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be resetting the service light on this 2022 Ford Transit Custom with a new style dash. First of all, what we're going to do is put the key position to ignition, position 2, and then we're going to hold down the brake and accelerator pedal at the same time. Hold them down, should take around about 20-25 seconds, something like that. Keep waiting. Okay, that should be done now, so release the pedals. Now it doesn't always tell you or give you a confirmation, but how you find out is by scrolling through. If you press the menu button, and then we're scrolling down to maintenance, press OK, oil life. See, it's been reset to 24,800 miles remaining, 730 days. Okay guys, thank you for watching, see you in the next one.